Musamseleku introduced Mangwabe's son at his birthday in front of the guests. Mangwabe, she was not expecting that Musamseleku he is going to introduce his son, because most of the people they don't even know that Mangwabe she had got a son. You understand? She had got a son with other men, because Musamseleku, when he meets Mangwabe, Mangwabe, she was already with her own child. She was the only child she have Mangwabe at that time. So Musamselek, when he meets Mangwabe, he married to Mangwabe. But that boy, he doesn't stay with Mangwabe. You understand? She was raised by his grandmother. He was raised by his grandmother, that boy. So guys, it's so difficult sometimes, because Musamseleku now he is introducing him to people. Guys, Utando Nestembo is season 8. You understand it? They have many holiday, many functions, but we didn't saw that boy. You understand? But now he is introducing him now. Guys, it has that you can be married and be happy. You can't be happy, guys, your children are not happy, because you can't love a woman but you don't love his children. You meet a woman with a child, but you don't want a child. You don't want a woman. You want a woman, but you love a woman but you don't want children. It hurts sometimes, because he was explaining that that boy he is not staying at Muzumbe. And Macele says Musamseleku, he says he doesn't want a woman with a child. It looks like Musamseleku he doesn't want that boy at the first time, because Macele, the way she was explaining, it looks like Musamseleku he doesn't want that boy, but in front of people he is pretending that he loves him as his stepfather. Because now, guys, it's season 8. Season 8, we now introduced to Mangwabe's son. You understand? Guys, most of the times, guys, you need your mother sometimes, because they have got Christmas, guys. Utando Nestembo, they have got Christmas. They meet together, the Museleku's family, and Mangwabe, she was there. But that boy, guys, we don't even see that boy. It's yet sometimes. That's why Mangwabe now she is very selfish, because she saw that when you put a man first, you have to put your children first than a man, because a man can change anytime. And Mangwabe now she can saw that Musamseleku he changed to him now. You understand?